Everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well at home. Children, today we will study about chapter number 2, Animal World. And in this session, you will learn about body covering of animals, eating habits in animals, breathing in animals, movement in animals. Now we'll discuss where are all these animals live. Well, they live in their habitat. Now let's find out what is habitat. The area where a particular animal lives naturally is called its habitat. There are two main types of habitats. First, terrestrial. Example, forests, deserts, polar regions, mountains. Second is aquatic. Both freshwater, example, rivers, lakes and oceans. Now, first we'll discuss our first topic, that is body covering of animals. Animals have different types of body coverings which help them to live and survive in a particular habitat, as scales, shell, fur and feathers. Now let us see some examples. First, crocodile. Crocodile is covered with scales which prevent water loss from their bodies. Second, snail. Snail is covered with a hard shell of calcium carbonate which protects them. Third, fur. The body of animals such as bear are covered with fur that protects them from cold and rain. Fourth, feathers. Birds are covered with feathers which help them in their flight. Now, our next topic is eating habits in animals. All living things need food to get energy to grow and to stay healthy. Different animals eat different kind of foods based on their food habits. Animals can be classified into three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. First, we'll discuss about herbivores animals. These are the plant-eating animals, for example, cow, goat, and horse. Second is carnivores animals. These are the flesh-eating animals, means the animals that mostly eats meat or the flesh of animals. For example, lion, tiger, and cat. Third is omnivores. These are the animals that eats a variety of food of both plant and animal origin. For example, bear, crow, etc. All animals breathe throughout their life. Breathing is a process in which an animal inhales oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. Inhale simply means breathe in and exhale meaning breathe out. But different kind of breathing patterns can be followed by different kind of animals. Some are given below. Land animals. Birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. Second, amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live both on land and in water. For example, frog. Third, aquatic animals. Fishes, prawns, crabs, etc. live in water and breathe through their gills. Fourth, insects. A peculiar type of respiratory organ is found in insects like cockroach, caterpillar and grasshopper. Now we'll discuss about the movement in animals. Animals have different types of body parts or limbs for movement. First, movement in insects. All insects have 6 legs which are used for movement. Insects like ant and cockroach crawl on their legs. Second, movement in water animals. All water animals swim by paddling and pushing back the water. Third is movement in aerial animals. Birds fly with their wings, which are actually their forelimbs. But some birds have large bodies but poorly developed wings. Hence, they are unable to fly. Example is ostrich. Fourth, movement in land animals. Most terrestrial animals have 4 limbs. The 2 limbs in the front are called forelimbs and the 2 behind are called hind limbs. Some animals like kangaroo use only their hind limbs to move or hop around. Whereas snakes are limbless reptiles, they crawl with the help of scales or plates which are present on the underside of their body. They also have strong muscles and a flexible backbone that helps them to move. Now we'll discuss our last topic, that is migration in animals. Some animals move long distances at certain times of the year. They travel in large groups. Animals migrate to distant places to escape harsh weather, shortage of food, and in order to breed. Migration simply means mass movement of animals from one place to another. Alright children, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.